Let him walk right into the fucking trap. Fucking M4's damn near dead. Bitch, get a grip. Hey, stay here and cover. Hop up big time, boy. Nico. Nico. Say again, over. Wait, fall back, guys. Let them come to us. Yeah, I know, let them run. Yeah, why?
Get this bandage.
Infected? Let's see it.
Yep, Nico shot me.
Finger up. That's a quality fucking Band-Aid. These are the sports Band-Aids, I guess. We keep them held back for a little bit, Nico. Why'd he shoot you? Thought you were them?
No, I was going across. He thought he saw him. Then my hand got in the way and he shot it.
Nice. Tell him to get back here while we're regroup and reorganize and around. We will get him. Go get him. Keep him covered too on the way back. It's just starting to get fun. M4, L96, and Alex's Browning high power on my juice box. So we already got one kid hit, Alex. I got hit in the back of the neck. Cops already came by once, so it's a fun day. Oh shit. Reload, rearm, and reorganize, boys. Let's reload.
Tactical juicy juice.
It's Capri Sun, dick.
Big damn thing.
No, it isn't.
How heavy is it? Wow, that's heavy. That's not even that heavy.
Yeah, it's heavier than the other M4. If you bought a gearbox, Nico, I'd put it in that other M4 and I'd give you that M4. Got a type more and everything.
Oh, shit.
careful, the battery's running dead.
That's a really freaking light trigger.
I've been using your sniper. I've gotten close. We need to work on that hop up though. Big time.
We're moving across.
Let them. They'll just come right from here. I mean, all I have to do is shift to the other side. Cause I mean, watch.
You haven't been on MWD3 at all.
Yes, I have.
Every time I get on it, you're not on it. It's like, come
I just
on.
played.
Okay, now it's going straight. So I just had to get out of that
for
fucking
4
wind.
hours.
Huh?
I played for 4 hours yesterday.
What time?
I don't know.
4.
Huh?
I got off at 4 o'clock.
That's probably when I got on.
Keep an eye out for them.
It's like smearing crazy.
Hey Alex, what are you doing tonight?
Raping.
Tell me, look how bad that is. Really see visible.
Is it scratches?
I don't think so.
Oh.
I think they're just smudges.
Can't get rid of them. What are you doing tonight?
Nothing.
Oh, who's this Tori chick? Tori Hacker?
Fribby's girlfriend.
Oh, yeah.
She from Ventura?
Yeah, she's a big girl.
She's a big girl.
What did I say on the phone, Briar?
What?
Really big girl?
No, I'm like, well, at least I can teach Fribs how to fuck a fat chick. Roll her and fire and find the web spot, just like Fribs does every night.
Gross.
Did you read some of those comments on my status? Oh, holy shit.
I think I've just given up reading your fucking statuses.
No, this one was, holy shit, guys.
What was up with it?
So what happened with you two?
Someone spread the rumor that I was cheating on her. And when I find out who the fuck did, I'm gonna beat them to a bloody pulp.
Wouldn't be me, Nico. I'd rather see you with a girl than with a dude. At least I know you're not gay now. There's no magnet, asshole. I'm reloading it.
Hey!
Oh,
They're right there!
holy shit.
12 o'clock, get him!
I thought you were watching that way, Rare.
Me? Are you shitting me?
What fucking do?
Now look at him run now. Run, bitches!
What the hell? They show up and then they're gonna leave.
It's a hit and run.
Load up that sniper. I need to use it.
Why do you need to use it? I need to use it.
Fucking sniper
I'm on a
anyway.
battery, dick!
Oh my god.
Unless you want me to use that. Fuck yes!
Then go
Is
ahead.
it loaded?
Yeah, of course it's loaded. You don't expect me to go into a fight with not a loaded gun.
Well, some days, Alex. I don't know about you. Some days.
Let's just wait here. They can't reach. Oh, there they are.
Let's just right here. They can't reach. Oh, there they are. Oh, look at Andrew. Yeah, party boy!
I see him. You see a little bit.
Oh my god. I went through a lot of BBs. Out!
God, I'm being so fucking close. Where'd Alex go? Oh. Where's Alex?
Up, go. Cover! I got one of them, 12 o'clock! Hey, watch this shit. Fuck yeah, I am. Keep me covered, damn it.
How thick of ice is it?
Oh, about 2 inches, 3 inches maybe.
What'd you just call me? Fuck it, let me out!
Stay low, stay low, stay low. See him coming around. Ready? One side jump, cover. Ready? 1, 2, 3, cover.
Dying?
I think so. What?
Cover me, cover me. Wait.
1, 2, 3, go! Nico, I'm gonna go grab my M4. You're on your own. Battery's dying. Listen. Is that dying?
Are you on semi?
Yeah.
No. It always sounds like that.
Oh, okay. Didn't know. No, never mind. Yep. Okay, where's Dalton at?
Right there.
No, that's Andy. Cover! Dalton, 12 o'clock! Dalton, on the ice! Dalton, on the ice! Cover! Nico, he's coming around! Cover! Gaze, you see him? A lot of radio static there. Keep him covered! Yeah, bitches! I watched their BBs like go around me and start cracking the fucking ice. I'm like, oh shit.
He hit me for about 40 times. Yeah, let me see that.
Blaze.
I figured.
That's your big bitch. Don't let me see yours.
Not very accurate.
You would go fucking Haji and fucking fold the stock. Got a scope mount built onto the sumbitch and everything. You're set.
The pullback?
How much money would you get me if you shot me from things?
Look out, ammo pouch.
That shot.
Whoa!
I'm assuming this is a plastic stuff.
Yep. I think so. Ah!
Not that bad.
Go run into an airport, dress yourself up as a towel head, and run and be like, ah, la, 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 la.
I'd be shot.
No, really?
Yeah.
I think anybody would be shot. Even if you're like the president, they'd probably still be pissed.